What if you could build a complete professional brand, your colors, your logo, your website, your domain, your social media all in one place powered by AI? That's exactly what BrandForge does. I'm going to show you how any small business owner or solopreneur can go from zero to a full brand identity in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. Everything in BrandForge starts with a workspace. Think of it as your brand's home base. Let's say I'm starting a dog trimming business. I'll create a new workspace, give it a name, and just like that, we're ready to build. The first thing BrandForge does is ask you a few questions to understand about your business. What industry are you in? Who are your customers? How would you describe your brand personality? Stuff like that. For our dog trimming business, health and beauty category, customers are families with kids who have dogs, and the brand feel is friendly, playful, and warm. So I'll enter that. And just like that, BrandForge's AI generates a complete brand DNA for your business. This includes your brand colors, brand personality, positioning, and tone of voice. This isn't just a mood board. This brand DNA becomes the intelligence that powers everything else in the platform. You can review it, confirm your strategy, and even chat with the AI to refine things like your tagline, target audience, and brand voice. Next up, your domain name. If you don't have one yet, BrandForge can suggest the perfect one. The AI asks a few questions, like what kind of names do you like, what region are you targeting, what feeling should the name evoke. For us, UK and Europe, dog trimming for families, and fun and playful. BrandForge instantly surfaces available domain names, complete with brand analysis. It tells you how to pronounce it, why it works, and what keywords it hits, and even runs a linguistic audit to make sure it sounds right globally. Once you pick your domain, BrandForge sets up a brand defense plan, automatically identifying lookalike domains, alternate TLDs, typo variants, and even domain hacks, so no competitor can impersonate you or hijack your traffic. You choose your level of protection, basic, active, or full defense. Then you're covered. Now, for the fun part, your logo. BrandForge's AI logo generator creates unique professional logo concepts tailored to your brand. Just tell it your brand name, your audience, and the style you want. We'll go with families, playful, and modern. In seconds, you get a completely unique logo concept, and if you want another direction, maybe a more professional look or a friendly dog icon, just hit generate again. You can create as many variations as your plan allows. You can preview every logo on real-world mockups, business cards, office signage, different backgrounds, etc. And if you want to tweak it, change a color, adjust the layout, the built-in editor lets you do exactly that. Horizontal, vertical, light, or dark background, your full brand kit is ready to go. Here's where BrandForge really stands out. Once your brand is set up, the AI builds you a complete website automatically. It reads everything it knows about your business, your brand DNA, your logo, your colors, your tone, and structures a site based on best practices for your industry. But here's the difference between BrandForge and every other AI website tool out there. Most AI website builders generate a site and that's it. You're stuck with what the AI gave you. BrandForge gives you a fully editable website. You can chat with the AI assistant to make changes like make the headline more punchy, switch to a minimal style, or you can edit it manually, section by section. Swap images from the built-in library, rewrite copy with AI, change the layout style, and watch the whole site update in real time. And soon, BrandForge will also support e-commerce so you can sell directly from your brand website. Your brand doesn't stop at your website. BrandForge also includes a social media co-pilot. Connect your Meta, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other accounts and use BrandForge to plan, schedule, and auto-post content. All on brand, all from one place. You get a full content calendar, post drafts, and filtering by platform and status. Your brand stays consistent everywhere. BrandForge also has a print studio coming soon. Order professional business cards and branded materials shipped worldwide. And in your settings, you can connect third-party tools like Stripe for payments, manage your credit usage, and set up automation. Everything you need to run your brand like a business. From brand strategy to domain to logo to website to social media, BrandForge is the only platform that takes you from step A to step Z in building a complete online brand. Whether you are a solopreneur just getting started or a small business ready to look like a big brand, BrandForge was built for you. Try BrandForge today at brandforge.com and start building your brand the smart way.